Hey guys, welcome back to another mukbang. Just me and Bella like old times. Boo boo, Sedi. I know the background is very messy, but we're inside the farmhouse and it's raining. Very cold outside. This one right here is our heater, the big one. Okay. Are we ready? Okay, so for today's mukbang. Oh, if you are wondering, my husband went home because he's working. He's gonna come pick us up on Friday. He'll come on Friday and then Saturday, Sunday we go home. So today we made smoked pork and dal and wild garlic. So excited! This is our smoked pork that we made last year. Started eating already. There you go. And I have here boiled nettle. And here umurok ngari metba. Hot water. Is it clear? I felt like the camera is focusing somewhere. Is it? My table, so funny. Let's start eating. My rice is so hot right now. No, don't move. Oh. Look at this smoked pork. So good. I'm not using the new mic. Doesn't work. I don't know how to fix it. Just now calling my husband trying to fix it, but I'm so bad with electronics. How'd it go? And finally, my parcel is coming. Hopefully it will reach by this month. The gentleman said he has dry yongchak for singju, ngari, and soibum. That's what he's sending me. 2 packets of ngari. Yongchak, I don't know how many grams. And 1 soibum for $30, 30 euros, and for shipping $20, 20 euros. So altogether 50 bucks. What to do? I cannot eat spicy like the way I used to before. I start sweating already again. By the way, my birthday today. My birthday. On the farm with Bella and me. No. It's okay. Don't. Let them bark. Go up. Yeah. In the night also she bark when other dogs bark outside, and I will wake up because it's so loud, high pitched voice. She start barking too loud. Away go. I think I need to slow down. Yesterday was so beautiful. 20 degrees. Today's 11. Tomorrow's gonna be 8. Marian, pork also. Good combination. Camera died, guys. It's not my day, I guess, today. Too much problem. Too many problems. Go in the bed. Come here. Don't you over there. Very cold. I turn off the heat because of the sound. Boo boo, no. Behave. I always overdo with the salt. Wait, man. It's going to be a short mukbang, guys. That's it, guys. Wait. Need to make sure food, okay? Just a short mukbang because the lights also are very dim. If it doesn't rain tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, before my husband comes, I have fish, small fish. I'll try to do mukbang with that again outside if it doesn't rain, and when my husband comes we can do more mukbang together. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. We hope you like this small mukbang that was spicy and salty and yummy. Hey, and keep watching. Boo boo no. Please keep watching and we will see you in our next mukbang. Bye.